Yeah, I would just say if you were thinking about doing this, whatever is holding you back, don't let that stop you. Sure, it could be a big financial investment, but I don't know what you could spend your money on that would be better than feeling happy and confident. Hi, I'm Lisa, and I had Invisalign and also 8 veneers. From the time I was young, I never got braces. My teeth were crooked. When I was 16, my front tooth got knocked out. So I've never liked my teeth. And as I got older, I feel like all the little imperfections were just more pronounced and I was more self-conscious about it. So having my smile improved has helped my confidence in so many ways. And now I feel like I am happy when I meet new people. I'm not worried about the lighting, or when I was meeting new people, I was so self-conscious about my teeth, and I was always, kind of covering my mouth when I was talking. And when I see people I have not seen for a while and they see me, they say, "Wow, you look so happy, and your teeth look great. Wow, you have a beautiful smile." And that's just really exciting for me. So my husband and I live in Northwest Indiana, and so we were looking for a great dentist in the Chicago area, and we did some research online and found Big Smile Dental and decided to come up for a consultation. And Dr. Siegel was really helpful. He didn't sugarcoat anything, and I liked that a lot about him. He was realistic about the best way to perfect my smile, and I feel like we definitely accomplished something that I'm very happy with. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Siegel to anyone who's thinking about perfecting their smile. It's been life-changing for me. I even have had people that I don't know say, "Wow, you have really nice teeth." And I just say thank you.